Hi everyone, back with another tutorial for you, and this time we are going to be using another new set from the Spring Summer catalogue, which I can now show you because we are now past the window of hiding. So we have got new paper, beautiful ginghams. Right, let me see where I put my catalogue. There we are. So this is a new catalogue. Just fix it a little bit. And we have got some gorgeous new products. Honestly, we have got all that you are. Lovely, lovely flourish here. Can't wait to get my hands on it. There's just been so much that I wanted that I had to really concentrate on a few items, and I can then buy them later, hopefully. But the one that we're using today is, let me find it, there we are. It's called Vibrant Vases, and it works hand in hand with the Varied Vases from the annual catalogue. I'll just open that up as well so we can find it. And it works with the Vase Builder Punch. Right, so let me just see if I can find. In fact, it would have told me on that. Page 45. There we go. So it works hand in hand with this. You can use either or. You can use the solid with it to colour it, or the watercoloured with. So it's really nice that you can use both sets. I'm actually contemplating whether to put both sets into one stamp case and just have both working together, because they do work really well together. I love that these ones have got larger flower flourishes. The fonts are a lot bolder, but I do like these sentiments as well. So it is nice. This one has got three different patterns. This one's only got the two, but they work fantastically together. And the paper is called Gingham Gala, and we have Balmy Blue, Daffodil Delight. Today we're using the Grapefruit Grove. You have Highland Heather and Lemon Lime Twist. So I've kept it quite simple. I'm not going to be going absolutely crazy with it. We have got a 4 3/4 inch card. This is 4.5 inch Grapefruit Grove cardstock. So I'm going to get that put down. Grapefruit Grove is one of the nicest colours I have seen in a long time. And it's, although it's got the hint of orange in it, I actually see quite a lot of pink in it. It's almost like a vibrant coral. That's what it kind of reminds me of. And I really like that. So next up we have got a bit of the DSP. And I've got a bit of ribbon here that I am going to put down first. So I need to turn this over and get our ribbon put down first. Let me find the end of my tear tape. Just left one there and one there. Right, so I want, let me just get it lined up a bit. There we go. Bring that around. It should be pretty straight because I'm going with the lines on the gingham on the reverse. I'm trying to keep it as straight as I can. Turn it over and then stick that down. Helps if you've got it the right way, you numble. There we go. So I'm going to take the sticky bit off of that and then I'll just glue the rest. So I have got a little bit of wiggle room because my wee brain's not functioning at full pelt at the moment. So let's put a wee line across there. And then just some down the bottom. Right, let me just make sure I've got it the right way because I've got a horrible habit of doing that. And I'm going to position it. I don't want it right down at the bottom. I want a wee bit of the grapefruit growth showing. There we go. Then I have got our wee vases. Now I have coloured this using the Stampin' Blends. I used Balmy Blue for the background and Dark Old Olive. Then I used Dark Old Olive for the leaves and I used the Petal Pink for the flowers. Brain dead. And you can see the colours here are a little bit more subdued. I actually stamped it first, I think. Did I? I think I actually stamped these with the Petal Pink. And then I used my Wink of Stella to wash it out a bit. But you can use either or. So I'm going to put these up with, let me think, what do I want? Yep, I'm going to put the vase down with Kalal. So it's nice and flat. And then I'll put the flowers over the top of it with a dimensional so that it's got a little bit of room and makes it look a bit more dimensional. So I'm going to actually curve these a little bit. And I'm going to just move the top flowers a wee bit as well, just so they don't look flat. Okay. So I'm just lifting one dimensional, put it in the centre, and then just place it over the top there. And you can see it then gives it that wee bit more body in it. Now I have cut both a white one and I've cut one in, I actually like the darker one, but I've got this wee bow as well. I might actually make it smaller and put it on the vase. That might be quite cute. Just make it really tiny. Maybe a wee bit smaller again. There we go. That might be quite cute. Yep. So I'm just going to snip that, and these scissors at the moment are absolutely pants. So I need to kind of curve it. I'm waiting on an order coming in and I've ordered new snips. There we go. Try and clear that up a wee bit. Just needing another wee bit off it actually. Let's just hope I can do it without making it look even worse. Come on, be nice to me. That'll do. I'll neaten it up once my new snips come in. That's cute. So we will add that with a little glue dot. Glue dot. And I'll just position it there. And pop that over the top of it. Yeah, that's quite cute. Then we will pop these up on dimensionals. 1 and 2. So I want a wee white bit at the back, because that might work. That works. I'll put that down with a bit of tape. And that can hold my ribbon in place as well. There we go. Place that on there. And then we can put our next one over the top of it. And that's it. Really super simple. Little element, your sentiment in the paper. How much easier could it be? This new ribbon is from Celebration. It is one of the fabulous £45. You get your Balmy Blue, Daffodil Delight, Grapefruit Grove, Highland Heather and Lemon Lime Twist, which is the same as the Gingham Gala paper. So it works perfectly. It's just so pretty. There's lovely items in it. But I will be doing a lot of tutorials with the items from the celebrations. So I hope you've enjoyed that. If you're interested in joining Stampin' Up through January to March is the absolute pinnacle time to join. It's fabulous. You at the moment are getting £170 of product for £99, and that's with free shipping. So that's another £5 off basically. You'll also get your free autumn winter catalogue, and you will get your free spring summer catalogue and your celebrations catalogue. You will get your order forums, you'll get a business pack, really, your flyers for parties and things like that. There's a second option if you want to bump it up, and that one, if I remember, is £125. You get your £170 of product, but you also get a tote bag, which is fantastic. It's just amazing the amount of things you can get in it, and that is worth £47. So you're paying half price for that. It's just fantastic, and that's got quite a few. You've got your customer order forums there, and your invites for party plans, etc. So you're actually getting, I think, is it £40 extra, because normally it's £130 of product that you would get. but you're getting an extra £40 worth, which is amazing. And then you can start ordering and earning all these free products. So if you're interested in joining, give me a wee message, email me, and I will be happy to talk you through the process. I am not a massive salesperson, but this is a fantastic offer, so I hope you give me a wee message and we can have a wee chat about it. Thanks for watching. Take care for now. Bye.